Hola mga Lods! So nandito na naman tayo sa harap ng aming restaurante dito sa Lodge Baritapas at maghahanap ulit po tayo ng mga Pilipino na padaan-daan dito na po pwede nating ma-interview patungkol sa mga buhay-buhay dito sa Spain. So ang katanungan natin ngayon ay actually maraming nagtatanong ng ganitong question sa akin sa social media, sa Facebook, ganoon din sa TikTok, then ganoon din sa YouTube. Kung mahirap ba o madali ba makahanap ng trabaho dito sa Spain, lalong-lalo na sa mga lalaki. So, ito na yung mga chance natin mga Lods para masagot natin yung mga katanungan natin sa pamamagitan ng mga Pilipino mismo na nakatira dito sa Madrid, Spain. And by the way, maraming salamat po pala sa lahat ng bumili ng halo-halods na makakatulong para sa aking pinsan na mayroong cancer, makakatulong para sa kanyang pang-araw-araw na pagpapagamot at kahit papaano ay makakapagbigay tayo ng tulong sa kanya. Maraming salamat at sa nag-donate din para sa aking pinsan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. So ayan mga Lods, naganap ako sa labas. Nandito lang pala sa loob makikita si Madam na ating isang ma-interview. Kasama si Ate. Hola! Dalawa na kayo interviewin ko.
Ganon. Sige.
Ayan, ano pong pangalan po ninyo?
Ako, si Tita Rose.
Tita Rose?
Yeah.
Gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa Spain?
Oh, medyo matagal na, pero hindi pa ako marunong mag-Espanyol.
Mga ilang taon na po kayo?
1999 ako dumating.
Ang tagal na.
Oo.
1999?
Pero turuan na ako ng Espanyol.
Pero bakit hindi kayo natuto ng
Kasi
Spanish?
English.
Dahil yung sa ano ninyo?
Yung employer ko, English.
English ang usapan.
English ang usapan. Ayaw niya ako
Spanish.
mag-Espanyol.
Pero Espanyol siya?
Espanyol siya. Para
Ayun
matuto sila
para
at saka
matuto
mga
sila.
anak niya.
Kaya yan yung mga gustong-gusto nila, yung mga Pilipino talaga, kasi tayo mga Pilipino nakapag-English. Then sa case ni Ma'am, gusto nila, employer niya, puro English yung usapan. Kaya si Ma'am, hindi natututuloy mag-Espanyol.
Tingnan mo, hubilado na ako.
Naghubilaw na po kayo. Hubilaw meaning nag-retire na.
Nag-retire na. Hindi ako natuto ng fluent Spanish. Porque tinuruan ko yung mga anak niya sa mga assignment niya ng English. Paano ako matuto ng Spanish? Ang gusto nila, English. Ang salita ko, para silang lahat ay marunong mag-English. Now, may engineer yung isa at tapos pilot yung isa, magaling silang mag-English ngayon.
Sabi nyo, simula bata pa lang,
yes,
nalagaan nyo na sila?
Yes, in 12 years time, 12 years time na intern na ako sa kanila, English ang usapan namin. Although yung tatay ay marunong mag-English, yung nanay hindi, pero English talaga ang pinili nilang communication namin sa bahay.
Kaya hindi tuloy kayo natuto mag-Spanish?
Yes, naging intern na pa ako. Siyempre, kahit lumabas ako sa kwarto ko, makita ko sila, English ang usapan.
Pero ang pinaka-question ko, madali po ba makahanap ng trabaho dito sa Spain?
Oh, yes, sure. With my help, I have lots of Spanish people looking for a job,
employer?
Yeah, employee.
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 Yung employer ninyo o yung mga Spanish
yes,
friends ninyo, naghahanap sila ng mga empleyado.
Yung sombrero mo, prema.
Yes. And I knew them very well. So they asked me, Rosa, can you help me please? Can you get one chica to help me in the house? So I put it in my Facebook, and everyone is coming to me and help me, madam, can you help me to have a work? So I introduced them to the family I know. I have lots of them.
So marami po kayong marami nakakilala sa inyo mga Pilipina dahil natulungan niyo silang makahanap ng employer.
Yes, because when my husband is still alive, we do have a car and go around the town, and then with my friends, ganon, mga people na walang trabaho.
Okay.
Kami ang pinupuntahan. Yan.
Anong taon po ulit kayo nagsimula dito sa Espanya? Dumating?
I start immediately July 19, 1999. ako dumating, nag-start na ako agad. Why? Because from Saudi Arabia, when I was Saudi Arabia, I was already looking for a greener pasture. And they said, go to Spain. Well, dumating ako sa Spain. Ngayon, agad-agad meron na akong employer dahil na-introduce na ako from Saudi Arabia to Spain.
Pero
Do you
bago kayo mapunta ng Saudi Arabia, syempre, meron po ba kayo naging trabaho before sa Pilipinas?
I was a teacher in the Philippines.
Teacher po kayo? Kaya Ma'am Rose. Hindi ko akalain yun Teacher po kayo ng ano pong na elementary or high school?
Yes, I am a graduate of BSEE, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education.
Elementary.
And as a government teacher in 19 years.
Pero saan po ito sang school?
It was in Kalinga, Apayao.
Apayao? Kalinga, Apayao. Saan po iyon?
Bulanao. Central School. I was...
Baka napapanood po kayo ng mga naging estudyante nyo dati, Hi na po kayo. Nandito na si Teacher Rose. Teacher Rose po, no?
Yes.
Si Ma'am Rose nandito sa Spain,
But I am a mere nanny here and a house girl.
Pubilaw na nga daw siya. Pubilaw.
Yes.
Pero wait po, ano pong subject po pala kayo sa school?
General.
Lahat?
Yes, because elementary education.
Lahat dapat?
I teach all.
All of the
general.
subjects?
Yes, science.
Math,
All
English.
The subjects, math,
Kaya pala magaling mag-English si Madam. Si Ma'am Rose. Madam.
Mag-viral yan.
Correct.
But I do not have an accent. But I had also an employer which is who were living in London, and their children are speaking English with accent. So I was able to get their
American accent or British?
British. I was able to adapt the accent a little. So I am now using it by now.
Wow, that's so nice naman.
You know, I want people who speaks English.
Yes.
So
Me
I
as
like
well.
you speak English.
I can speak English
Yes.
with British accent.
Yeah.
So as Tagalog ako, matapang yung Tagalog ko, strong yung Tagalog ko.
Yes.
Pero, but I can speak English.
But you know how to speak English very
Yes.
well. And I can speak with you too. So what I like is, I want people.
Bini to, si Bini Alexis. Magaling mag-English.
I want people who speaks English. So they are teasing me. Oh, you have a foreigner. No, I just want to speak English with them. Not that I like foreigner, but I like to speak English with them. So I will be having a very good accent. Why? I can use it by future. Even though I'm jubilada, maybe I can build a school in primary or in the kindergarten like that. I can use my English.
Pero dito na po talaga kayo sa Espanya. Wala na po kayong plan to go back in the Philippines para mag-settle?
Oh my dear, that I cannot answer right now. I am still.
Nandito na po ba yung whole family po ninyo?
Well, I'm alone in Spain. Mag-isa ako. Wala akong balak mag-for good pa. I want to stay here for my future because pag nagkasakit ako, I have all the means to go to the hospitals free. But in Philippines, ay nako, minsan inubo lang ako. I went to the doctor, only 3 words, 700 bayad ko. 3 words, ang kanyan, sabi niya, ito ang gagawin mo. Wala na, 700 na yon. Kaya, ay, Ilocano. Kaya I'm afraid.
Ay, Ilocano po kayo? When? Tagalog.
Silimbel.
Ilocano. Shock Alexis.
Shock
Alexis.
Alexis.
Ako si Alexis. Kahapon ko lang natutunan sa kanya.
Guwapo mo naman, Alexis.
Gracias.
Guwapo siya.
Pero, yung tawag dito na kayo sa Spain. talagang napamahal na kayo dito sa Spain, hindi na kayo bumalik talaga ng Pilipinas.
Correct. Napamahal ko na ang Spain kasi ang ganda ng culture.
Mhm.
Ang ganda. Tsaka hindi
Spanish na po kayo?
Yes.
Ah.
When I was 3 years in Spain, I was able to gain my
Spanish
Spanish
nationality, citizenship. Mhm.
because I want to stay here. My tutor said, you will have future in Spain, not in Philippines. Because when I was a teacher, I was only receiving very little. So I had to search for a greener pasture. And they said, greener pasture will be in Spain.
Mhm.
So exactly, but I went first to Saudi Arabia, small salary, and to Dubai, another small salary, a little bit higher. But when I met a Spanish guy in Spain, in Dubai,
Okay, he said,
he said, do you want to work in Spain? I said, oh, of course, senor. I love to go to Spain. Give me
so
those
yung
wine."
employer ninyo, dinala kayo dito sa Spanya?
No, not exactly. This is just an employer of my friend who recommended me to him.
Mhm.
And rin-recommend niya ako dito sa Spain with an employer who is pregnant.
Okay.
So because she's pregnant, the baby will be my baby to take care of.
Okay.
Nanny. So I was lucky because my resume is updated and it was I passed.
Okay.
Examination. He read my resume. My occupation there, it appears there very high.
Yes.
So
it's
You-
like you were overqualified.
yes, overqualified.
Yun, nandito kayo sa Spain, tapos bumuwi kayo ng Pilipinas. Kamusta naman yung bakasyon nyo dun sa Pilipinas?
Oh my God, Diyos ko.
Bakit?
Nung umuwi ako, parang ako rin na. I was like,
Maraming nakakilala sa inyo, maraming nag-aabang sa inyo. Maraming pumunta sa bahay.
yes.
May balikbayan ba kayo ng time na
oh
yon?
yes, they said, oh my God.
Celebrity, instant celebrity.
I had 60,000 pesos.
Wow. At that time, ang laki-laki nun. That's about big money na.
I am single. I have lots of friends and I have lots of families. With that 60,000, we use it for roaming around the town. Because I used to play bowling. We went bowling. We went to play bowling.
Naalala nyo po ba yung una nyong bagay na binili sa first salary ninyo dito sa Spain? Naalala nyo pa po ba?
Yes.
Ano po yun? Wow. Naalala nyo
Gold.
pa?
When I was in Spain, every single money I keep until I finally saw that my money is enough to buy a gold in Saudi Arabia. Yeah. And then another money, gold until I already have lots of gold.
Nasaan na po yung mga gold na to?
But that gold, when I went back to Philippines and have 1 month vacation.
What happened? What happened, Bella?
What happened? Manang, may I have that? Oh yes, of course you may have it because it's not so expensive.
That time?
Yes, it was not so expensive. A ring, very small ring.
So
A
mahilig
little
kayo
earring.
magregalo sa mga
Yes.
biglang mga nagre-request sa inyo. Beke naman, manang.
No, because I have lots of families very, very curious of jewelries and had never been using jewelry before.
They were
They had
curious and they want
none,
to have.
and then when they saw that I have lots, can you give me one? Oh yes, this is for you. And you, only 3 people.
Okay.
Right? Because I have to keep the others for me also.
Pero before, syempre, may family pa kayo sa Pilipinas nun.
Yes, I
Ilan po
have.
kayong mga kapatid nyo nun?
Actually, now I am alone. My brothers and sister passed away long time ago. So,
Okay po. So, sabi nyo po, mga 19, 20 years na kayo dito sa Spain.
more
More than 20 years.
Yes.
So,
20
maraming Pilipino na gustong subukan na magkaroon ng opportunity here in Spain.
Yes.
So, what can you advise to our fellow Filipinos?
Oh, well, when people are already here dito sa Espanya,
Espanya.
it is very easy to find a job.
Mhm.
It is very easy. You just contact one friend to
Yes,
to
actually.
other,
Mhm.
and they will tell you where to go to work.
Yes.
Yeah, if for us, like for example, ako, ate, meron ka bang alam?
Recommendation na recommendation lang talaga.
Ay,
no?
oo. Ang dami.
Madami.
Ay, kung hindi lang ako retired, baka ako na nagkuha sa mga yun. Kung retired na ako, I must bawal ako magtrabaho na.
Sa sobrang masabi ko sa nakikita ko, daling makahanap ng trabaho dito, merong isang restaurante rito na ang may-ari mga Espanyol o ibang lahi. Sila magkakamag-anak yung nag-ooperate ng restaurante. Kumbaga, boka-boka.
Oo.
Recommendation para makahanap sila ng trabaho, ma-recommend nila yung mga kamag-anak
At saka first of all, ang tinatanggap. Kasi I was once an employee of a restaurant. I was once also an employee of a bar. Almost 5. I had a bar, 2 bars.
Mhm.
I am with SSS in the other bar, and the other one is Dinero Negro. So I was receiving 1,002.
Mhm.
Another with Fiho Bahay. Another part-time. So I was very tired.
Ang dami, marami kayong naging trabaho.
Ang dami. Kaya payat ako. Siguro. Because I'm using my day off to work.
Pero bakit
as a
ganun?
part-time.
Bakit sinubukan nyo yung napakaraming trabaho? Marami po ba kayo sinusuportahan sa Philippines?
No, not that. I did not have a daughter or son, but I have an adopted child.
Mhm.
But I am also thinking of her future, maybe.
Okay.
But not exactly like that. Just we want to work with my husband here, enjoying the life in Spain. Kasi while working in Spain, it's very you guys are happy. You have happy friends, and you will be happy also, because in Philippines you stay there, you will be bored. I think you cannot earn much like what you are earning in
Here in
Spain.
Spain.
Yes, you understand.
Yes,
You're from
that's
Philippines?
True. Yes, I'm
Where
from
in
the
Philippines?
In Caloocan City.
Caloocan City. Oh my God, Caloocan City is a nice city.
Yes po.
Yes,
Wait lang
and
po. Yes.
but if you are lazy, you may not like cooking, or you may not like janitor, because
If you're gonna be choosy.
your handsome face, maybe you will say, oh, if I will be a janitor, nobody likes me.
So, what do you think, or for you, Ma'am Rose, what is the key to success here in Spain?
the key here in Spain,
Yes.
I have
Kasi tumagal kayo dito ng napakaraming taon eh.
yes. This way to work hard.
Mhm.
Yeah. To keep your money in a safe place, like
save your money.
to the bank. You work and then keep your money, and don't lose your time in gambling, or
Yes.
never, because
Be sure.
if you reach that gambling, you will lose all your money. And if you try to taste droga, your life will be ruined, right?
Okay. That's right. That's correct.
So be active and use your head and work and keep your money very safe. Well, put it in the bank so you can earn money a big like this to build a house for you.
Okay. Ayan, ang dami nating napulot na lesson kay Ma'am Rose. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Rose. Hindi ko akalain na may ma-interview ang isang teacher today. Maraming salamat. Baka gusto niyo pong batiin sila, yung mga ano ninyo, mga nakakilala sa inyo dito sa Spain at sa Pilipinas. Hello?
Hello. Biglaan to, my God. Biglaan to. Ito kasi napakatalino. Sabi niya, halika nga dito, ma'am, at mag-usap tayo. Sabi niya, akala ko kung ano lang. Ngayon lang, interview na pala to.
Yes.
Kaya,
Abangan po ninyo yung vlog natin sa ating Facebook at YouTube. Alam siguro ni Mama yan. Nakikita niya yan. Magkakaroon sa social media. Bueno, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Rose. Okay, thank you. Ciao. Maraming salamat. Taray.